Back again. In this lesson, we will continue our practice with the present continuous tense. We learned that this verb tense expresses action occurring now, or at the time of speaking, or at the time of action. Look at these other uses. We use the present continuous tense when we talk about events which happen approximately at the time of speaking. You'll see what I mean. Maria is studying English this semester. Farah and Hideo are saving money to buy a car. Roberto says that he is reading a great book. All right? And we use this verb tense when we discuss or talk about things which happen around the present time. Here are some examples. This summer, Roberto is building a house. These days, everyone is studying Japanese. Or nowadays, people are buying very expensive computer monitors. Okay? Notice that these sentences all express actions which are processes, ing, that the action takes time for its completion, is building, is studying, are buying, and we say the action is continuous. Okay? So, remember this question from the last lesson? What are you doing? Look at all the possibilities. What am I doing? What are you doing? What is she doing? What are we doing? And what are they doing? Okay, the questions are formed in the present continuous tense, is doing, are doing. And they ask for information in the same tense. So the answers look like this, right? I'm watching television. You're listening to the radio. She's saving to buy an automobile. We're trying to learn English. And they're teaching us Italian. Okay, let's try some practice. Let's practice some of these present continuous verb expressions. And this is an oral practice, so please speak aloud. We'll use sentences which involve time around the time of speaking. Involves means refer to or associate with. I'll ask a question about you, about him or her, or about us, or about them. What is Alex doing nowadays? Answer, any answer. He is writing his master's thesis, or he is studying French, or he is saving to buy a house. Good, right? Is saving. Let's try another example. What are you doing these days? You could say, I'm learning to drive, or I'm studying to be a medical doctor, or I'm collecting stamps. Okay? Let's begin. What is Alex doing nowadays? You bet, he's writing his master's thesis. What are you doing these days? I'm studying French. What's he doing? He's writing a book. Great. What are you doing these days? I'm collecting foreign coins. That's good. What are they doing this week? They're learning a dialogue. Good. What are Maria and Hideo doing nowadays? They're withdrawing money, right? Or they're studying English. Good. What am I doing this season? As always, you're teaching English. What's she doing this evening? Great. She's studying for her examination. That's perfect. Now, are you ready for an exercise? Okay. So we'll use some new verbs in presenting continuous situations. These verbs are used to indicate changing situations, ing situations, right? Look at the words listed at the beginning of the exercise. Become, change, drop, fall, get, grow, improve, increase, rise. You'll need to complete each sentence with the appropriate verb. And you'll need to make the verb present continuous. So, for example, you'll see the number of people in the world blank, and you'll choose the word, change. Is changing, or increase, is increasing, right? Here's another one. Nowadays, foreign language instruction, same thing. You could choose the word change. Foreign language instruction is changing. Great. Okay? Pause your program, look at your study guide, and continue the exercise. Then return here. All right, let's review the exercise. You saw the sentence, the number of people in the world, and you chose a word from the word list, change, and you wrote, the number of people in the world is changing. Great. Then, nowadays, foreign language instruction is improving. Everything is changing. Nothing stays the same. The world economy is becoming worse every day. Good. Nowadays, medical knowledge is improving rapidly. Okay? Children of today are becoming smarter or are getting smarter. Good. The number of jobs these days is increasing. Okay. And supermarket prices are increasing very fast or are rising very fast. Good job.